If you've been wondering how to change your GOG username, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your account name quickly and easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account because the username change will apply to that profile. After that, look at the top of the page and click the Profile drop-down menu. This is where GOG keeps your account-related options, so if you're trying to manage your personal settings, this is the first place to go. From the drop-down menu, click on Orders and Settings. This will take you into your account area where you can manage different details connected to your GOG profile. On the settings page, look for the section labeled Account and Locale and click it. This is the area where you'll find your personal account information, including the option to update your username. Now scroll or look through the personal settings until you find the username section. Next to that, you should see a change option. Click on Change and GOG will open the field where you can edit your username. This is the part where you enter the new name you want to use, so type it carefully and make sure it's spelled exactly how you want it to appear. After entering your new username, take a second to review it before confirming. Usernames are often used to identify your account, so it's a good idea to double check for any typos or unwanted spaces. Once everything looks good, click Change Username to save the update. GOG should process the change and apply your new username to your account. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your GOG username. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.